Hello, everybody. This is Monty Reed for the Travel Report, and I'm looking for people that want to travel back and forth from your city to some of these cities. So the reason I'm doing this is we, of course, are working with Thrive Life, and we are setting up a record number of tastings, and we are just doing city launches. And we have, over the next year, 500 tastings for the state of Arizona. And so we're going to have to spread it out. Those tastings are going to start late May. We're looking at May, probably 40 days, maybe May, June. But we're going to start those tastings, and we are just looking for an army of people that want to learn how to do tastings. I mean, literally, all you need to do is to say, have you tried this? Hold out your hand, taste this. What do you think? Here's the website. And that is all you have to do to be a taster. And our average consultant last year earned $23 an hour, and our top consultants earned $79 an hour. Now, it's commission only, but you just give out referral codes. And so a lot of people don't even take the business cards anymore. They just snap a picture with their smartphone, or they type in the website and they just go right to it, and you start earning cash right there from those referral codes. And we drop ship to the door, and also set up in different locations where people can go and buy. And we do have cooking classes and other things, but this travel report is for people that are interested in traveling to and from Seattle, Los Angeles, San Francisco, San Diego, San Jose. We have Phoenix, Scottsdale, Tucson. We also have Oklahoma City and Tulsa. We also have New York, right in Manhattan. And for people, there's a bunch of different neighborhoods in New York. So if you really like New York, you've never been there and you want to go, West Orange, New Jersey. This is one I'm personally going to be doing a lot of. I'm looking forward to training because Thomas Edison's museum is there. He used to have a 40-acre research facility, and they still have 20 acres of it that's been preserved. I love to go there for inspiration for invention. So West Orange, New Jersey, and of course, Detroit, Michigan. Speaking of Thomas Edison and Henry Ford were friends. So Dearborn, Michigan is another city that we're targeting. The city of Chicago, of course. Miami, Florida is another target city that we're going to be focusing on. Colorado Springs, there's a lot of healthy eaters in Colorado Springs, and hundreds of tastings are going to be scheduled between now, basically over the next year. Like I said, we already have 500 tastings set up for Arizona. We just don't have enough people. I looked at, if I went down and I did 12 tastings a day to get to 500, that's going to take a long time. So we need an army to go out and travel. Bozman, Montana. I don't know why that happened, but looking forward to that. And Boise, Idaho, of course. Salt Lake City, American Fork, Provo, St. George. I think we have St. George already covered. Aaron, awesome. And let's see, I already mentioned West Orange, New Jersey. So Washington, D.C. Actually just came up as well. Maryland, that's another one. Maryland just came up 2 weeks ago. And so we have, if you ever wanted to travel and see the United States, this is an opportunity because we will be doing tastings in every major city in the U.S. And then, of course, eventually every city. And our goal, and it's going to take a few years to get to that point, but our goal is to have a schedule online where if you find out about Thrive and you want to learn more, that there'll be a scheduled tasting every week in every major city in the country. And so we did this with another company we were working with back in 1996 called Nikan, and we had thousands of consultants on our team. And we literally had hundreds of weekly meetings that people could go to every single week. It was like, in most cities, it started out the first Tuesday of the month or the second Thursday. And so it would start out as a monthly meeting. And let me back up a little bit, because we've already started this last year doing quarterly meetings. And you have a launch city, you do a launch weekend. where you have a tasting event, then you do a trade show where you have a booth, and then you have another tasting event at the end of that power weekend to introduce the product to that neighborhood. And then we need ambassadors, brand ambassadors that want to go out. Now, most brand ambassadors usually just get paid an hourly wage. And I personally will be hiring some folks on an hourly wage. But most brand ambassadors don't get an opportunity to earn a commission. And this is a great opportunity for brand ambassadors to get a commission, because you get a residual. Once you set up an account, you continue to earn 5% on their purchases every month. And so this is Monty Reed for the Travel Report. We are looking for people who want to travel around the U.S. to handle tastings. Like I said, we got over 500 tastings set up for Arizona. We just need to schedule, and we're going to start scheduling those 40 days from now. And we need an army of people that want to go to Arizona and back and forth from your city, and then of course all these major cities. So if you ever wanted to travel and have an opportunity to get paid to travel, and also all your expenses are tax deductible as business expenses, this is a lot of fun to do tastings, to be a brand ambassador, Thrive Life consultant. This is Monty Reed for the Travel Report and Thrive Life. Have a great day.
Make sure you subscribe.
Keep thriving, my friends.